That right there is exactly what we're looking for. What's up, guys? George here. Welcome to The Regular Dad, the show where we bring you the best tips and tricks to keep your car in top shape. Today, we're going to be going over how to recharge your car's AC system. Let's do it. The hose that you're going to have to charge the AC will only fit on one side. It's going to fit on the low side. The way you identify the low side is it's going to be the fatter hose with the smaller port. The high side is going to be a smaller line, but it's got a bigger port. It is not possible to mess it up. You cannot fit the low side hose on the high side because it's bigger. We're going to grab our can of AC Pro or any can of refrigerant. All you need is a hose, preferably with a gauge, so that you can see your pressure reading. And it hooks right onto that low side. Now you want the AC to be on max. So in this Florida heat, you're gonna want your pressure to be around 50. So mine's a little low. So all we're gonna do, squeeze this trigger, add some refrigerant. When you squeeze the trigger, you're gonna lose that reading, but as soon as you release it, you get the reading right back. Sometimes you got to shake the can a little bit. I'm going to finish filling this and we'll be right back. Now that we got the pressure right where we want it, we're going to go ahead and check inside the car, see what the temperature coming out of the vents is. To check the temperature coming out of the vents, all you need is a thermometer like this. And you're just going to stick it in the vent, let the temperature come down, and check it. What we're hoping for is about 30 degrees below the outside temperature. It's about 88 degrees outside, so as long as this is blowing close to 60, we're good. And that right there is exactly what we're looking for. Keep in mind, the only reason that I am pushing the pressure all the way up to 50 on this is because of this Florida heat. The heat's going to make the pressure need to be higher. If you're in a lower temperature area, then you're going to want that pressure no higher than 40 or 45. Well, everyone, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.